A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this video we are going to create a faceted search page, which consists of faceted search region and report. The faceted search region displays on the left side of the page and enables users to narrow down the search result by selecting facet values. Narrowing the search result makes it easier for users to find the data they want. The right side of the results region is a classic report which displays in report or card view. Let's explore this exciting feature. Execute these steps to create a faceted search page. Now download the source code from description of this video, then in part 11 folder you'll get the file. This search facet, P400 search, allows the end user to perform some text-based search on the result list. In the source section, ensure that the database column property has these following column names. As just defined in the SQL query, these columns will be used for searching. Now check remaining facets properties. Checkboxes allow you to pick multiple values to filter report results. For multiple selection support, displays multiple values as checkboxes, enabling the end user to select multiple values. Whereas radio groups or select lists allow picking only one value. For single selection support, displays multiple values as radio group options, enabling the end user to select a single value. Let's create a new facet. This is a range facet, which displays an item with a built-in list of values selector. For manual entry support, text fields will render below the facet, allowing the end user to manually enter the range of values they wish to use for filtering the filtered region. The range facet allows to filter the result list for values between a lower and upper boundary. A range facet consists of an LOV with predefined ranges to pick from two text fields to manually enter the lower and upper boundary, or both. Turn off this property to show the above static values as they are defined on this screen at runtime. Save your work. Now run the application. In the navigation menu, this is the faceted search menu entry. Under this month facet, if you click any month, the report on the right side will be filtered to display orders for this month. You can remove this filter by using any of these three options. Removing a filter shows all the records. Here we are also provided with Show Chart View, which displays the data from higher to lower values in different colors. By clicking this button, we can see the data in a pie chart view. Customer Facet shows the records of the selected customer from the list. Similarly, Product Facet shows the data of the selected product from the database. On the Amount Facet, we have to select an amount range. This will show records with amount between 1,000 and 1,500. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.